emergency has been placed in your area. The following message is transmitted by the Auburn Police Department. A major event has been unfolding at the Auburn University. There has been a hideous dog that has been terrorizing students at a football game in Auburn Stadium. The suspect has killed victims that has been bitten in the neck, leg, foot, eye, ear, hand. According to police, the dog has killed over 10 to 15 people at the Auburn game. If you have seen this dog, please report this to the Auburn Police. The Auburn Police Department is advising all residents in a 10 to 15-mile radius of the Auburn Stadium to lock all doors and windows. The Auburn game for next week has been canceled until this situation is over. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is being transmitted at the request of the Auburn Police Department. According to the police, the hideous dog that has been terrorizing citizens in Auburn has been identified as Smile Dog. Smile Dog is a grotesque demonic Siberian Husky creepypasta. Smile Dog is a JPEG image that sends itself by emails. The image makes people commit self-harm and the email says spread the word. The Auburn 911 has been filled with 911 calls about Smile Dog. According to the victims and police, Smile Dog has been attacking victims across the city of Auburn. Do not approach or try to apprehend the dog as it is deemed unsafe. This situation may change into a shelter-in-place emergency. Remember to lock all doors and windows, and hide in a closet. If you are in the city of Auburn or live near it, make sure you have non-perishable food items such as water, food, and battery power. The following message is at the request of the Auburn Police Department. A 12 to 15-year-old girl was found in a forest near Auburn. The girl has the same bite marks from the victims of the Smile Dog's attacks. President Trump has ordered a military operation to kill Smile Dog. This is a shelter-in-place. A shelter-in-place means that you hide in a room with no windows. And make sure you have a battery-powered radio and food for your stay in your shelter. The president will be speaking on all channels shortly. If you see Smile Dog, report it to the police. Make sure you are in a safe and secure place while you call the police. Now transmitting you to the President of the United States.
Good evening. The United States military has been ordered of a successful military operation that killed Smile Dog. Keep Auburn in your prayers, thoughts, as we go through this part in our nation's history. According to FEMA, over 200 people has been injured and only 50 has died. Good night. Thank you.
A message from the President of the United States. You are listening to the emergency alert system. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this shelter-in-place emergency. The emergency alert system has been activated. is transmitted by Auburn Police Department. The United States military operation to the Siberian Husky dog named Smile Dog has been successful. Smile Dog was found 50 miles outside of Auburn. You are now permitted to leave your shelters. The local area emergency and the civil danger warning has now expired. The Auburn Police Department thanks residents for cooperating during this emergency. Due to the attacks, some services such as telephone lines may not be readily available at this time, and some roads are closed due to investigational purposes. If you want, check with your local authorities for those details. This concludes all operations conducted under the emergency alert system. All cable systems and broadcast stations may resume normal programming This concludes all operations conducted under the emergency alert system. All cable systems and broadcast stations may resume normal programming operations. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. Police is looking for a dangerous person in this area. The intentions of the person at this time is known to break into people's homes with the intent of seizing his hunger. All residents within a 55-mile radius of the city of LA is advised to stay in your homes. The description of the suspect from victims is racial ethnicity white American, with dark brown hair, age ranging from 19 to 21. The victims has stated that he wears a dark bluish-black hoodie with black pants. Police is advising residents trying not to apprehend the suspect as he is considered dangerous. Smile Dog, Smile Dog, Smile Dog. Error, 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 Smile Dog, Smile Dog, Smile Dog. Error, 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 Smile Dog, Smile Dog, Smile Dog. Error, error. Smile Dog, Smile Dog, Smile Dog.
There has been an error reloading message. There has been an error reload. There has been an error reloading message. There has been an error reloading message.
The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. Police is looking for a dangerous person in this area. The intentions of the person at this time is known to break into people's homes with the intent of seizing his hunger. All residents within a 55-mile radius of the city of LA is advised to stay in your homes. The description of the suspect from victims is racial ethnicity white American, with dark brown hair, age ranging from 19 to 21. The victims has stated that he wears a dark bluish-black hoodie with black pants. Police is advising residents trying not to apprehend the suspect as he is considered dangerous. This message is at the request of the LA Police Department. Around 1:13 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the LA Animal Control has confirmed the last message broadcasted over the emergency alert system was indefinitely Smile Dog. Smile Dog was last seen by a civilian at 503 Westcock Drive, and was reportedly in a civilian's home. The LA Police Department and the United States government has a loss to explain this phenomena. The man with the blue and black hoodie has been identified as Eas Jack. According to his fandom page, Eas Jack typically wears a black and blue hoodie with a blue mask, and prefers consuming human organs. Eas Jack is the possible owner of Smile Dog. As of 1:23 p.m. Central Daylight Time, the local area emergency and the civil danger warning is now in effect. Please stand by for an update on this developing situation. Please stand by for an update on this developing situation. Please stand by for an update on this developing situation. Is at the request of the LA Police Department. At 10 a.m. Central Daylight Time, there has been a major event unfolding at a Starbucks at Olympic Boulevard, LA. According to the police, over 30 people, including workers, has been taken hostage. The intruder has the characteristics as Eas Jack, but yet not has been confirmed. The LA police is trying their best to settle the dispute with little or no life as possible. Currently, the LA police is looking into the matter, as citizens must be aware that the state police has set up roadblocks and has shut down the following roads: West Olympic Boulevard, South Figueroa Street, S. Flower Street, West 11th Street, South Hope Street. No one is allowed in this area. The LA State Police is also in the process of diverting traffic on the roads mentioned. At this time, there are no communication with the perpetrators and no demands has been made. We interrupt your programming. This is a statewide emergency. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. Please stand by. This message is at the request of the LA Police Department. The perpetrators of the Starbucks on West Olympic Boulevard has just been identified as Eas Jack and another unknown man. The description from the police wear skin almost too white paint, swirly hypnosis eyes, and is supposedly armed with firearms and harmful materials. The perpetrators has not talked to the police until this time. Police and civil authorities would like to remind the public, do not enter this Starbucks until further notice. The emergency alert system has been activated. This is an update on the hostage situation. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department. The Starbucks that was taken hostage was reported fine with no signs of intrusion and with all the victims alive. There is an update on the situation as of 2:12 p.m. Central Daylight Time. There has been terrorist activity. Reports of a car crashed into the Starbucks that was taken hostage earlier today. According to the police, over 10 police officers was injured and 30 was killed, and 5 employees was injured and 1 was killed on impact, and no costumers was killed. The police is investigating the matter as we speak. The emergency alert system has been activated. The following message is transmitted by the LA Police Department and the Federal Bureau of Investigation. According to the LA Police Department, the man held responsible for the terrorist acts of earlier today was found as Silas Jack and Jeff the Killer. At this time you are now permitted to leave your shelter. This is an emergency action termination. All broadcast cable systems shall resume their normal programming.